Are you tired of the traditional 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of starting an online business that can bring you wealth and freedom? In this captivating video, I will unveil the hidden formula to kickstart your online business journey and achieve rapid financial success. Get ready to discover the secrets that can help you build a thriving online empire and fast track your way to riches. Imagine breaking free from the constraints of a regular job and attaining financial abundance beyond your wildest dreams. This is not just wishful thinking, it's a possibility within your grasp. In this video, I will reveal the hidden formula that successful entrepreneurs have used to start online businesses and get rich very quickly. Brace yourself for the life-changing insights that will revolutionize your path to wealth. Before we dive into the hidden formula, it's essential to understand the online business landscape. The digital era has opened up countless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs, from e-commerce and digital marketing to online coaching and content creation. There are various avenues to explore. Knowing the playing field will help you navigate the online business world more effectively. The first step to get rich quick with your online business is to identify lucrative market niches. Conduct thorough market research and identify gaps or underserved areas with high demand. Find your unique selling proposition and position yourself as the go-to expert or provider within that specific niche. Specialization will give you a competitive edge and attract customers who are willing to pay top dollar for your products or services. To stand out in the crowded online marketplace, you need an irresistible value proposition. Clearly articulate the unique benefits and value that your business offers to your customers. What problem does your product or service solve? How does it enhance their lives? Craft compelling messages that resonate with your target audience and communicate the transformative impact your business can bring to them. Building high converting sales funnels is a critical component of getting rich quick with your online business. You can create a strategic flow that guides potential customers through a series of steps from awareness to conversion. You can utilize lead magnets, landing pages, email sequences, and upsells to maximize sales and customer lifetime value. Constantly analyze and optimize your funnel to drive more conversions and revenue. You can create a landing page or a website on weblysite.com, linked in the description. To propel your online business towards rapid wealth, implement effective digital marketing strategies. Leverage social media platforms, search engine optimization, paid advertising, and influencer partnership to generate targeted traffic to your website or sales pages. Develop a content marketing strategy that positions you as an authority and engages your audience. Consistently test and refine your marketing efforts to ensure maximum impact. For content marketing, you can use my agency socialytics.com, linked in the description. To accelerate your journey to riches, automate and scale your operations. Utilize technology, tools, and outsourcing to streamline processes and reduce manual labor. Implement systems that allow you to replicate your success and expand your reach. You need to embrace the power of delegation and build a team that supports your business growth. Scaling your operations will amplify your profits and free up time for strategic decision making. To outsource tasks and follow what your team is doing in terms of project, you can use agencywork.io, linked in the description below as well. While the hidden formula provides valuable strategies, investing in your personal growth is equally crucial. Continuously educate yourself, stay updated with industry trends, and acquire new skills. Surround yourself with mentors, join mastermind groups, and attend industry conferences. You need to cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges, learns from failures, and adapts to changing market dynamics. Your personal growth will fuel your business success and open doors to even greater wealth. Congratulations on unlocking the hidden formula to start an online business and get rich quick. Now, it's time to take action and turn your aspirations into reality. Understand the online business landscape, identify lucrative niches, craft an irresistible value proposition, leverage high converting sales funnels, implement effective digital marketing strategies, automate and scale your operations, and invest in your personal growth. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead and fast track your way to financial abundance. Get ready to witness the extraordinary rewards that come from harnessing the power of the online business world.